Updates on the story, as you've just heard. Remember, the Congress's Mallikarjun Kharge is also expected to speak to the media shortly, but he continues to rain fire over the entire issue. He's demanded Amit Shah's resignation. He's further said that if such statements and remarks continue, he says that the entire nation will burn. Now, that is the comment that the BJP has now used to slam Mallikarjun Kharge for that particular comment, saying that this is an attempt to incite. Let's quickly listen in to the responses we have.
ये बात कहकर बाबा साहब का अपमान किया, संविधान का अपमान किया, और वो मंशा जो उनके दिमाग में है कि उनकी जो मनुस्मृति की आइडियोलॉजी है वो और आरएसएस की आइडियोलॉजी जो है वो दर्शाता है कि वो खुद वो बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर के संविधान को रेस्पेक्ट नहीं देना चाहते हैं. ऑल द पार्टीज डिमांड हिज रेसिग्नेशन एंड ही शुड अपोलोजाइज टू द कंट्री. और इस ढंग से अगर वो बात करते रहेंगे, सारे हिंदुस्तान में आग लगेगी कि बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर का अपमान कोई सहन नहीं करेगा.
ये खड़गे जी जो शब्द यूज कर रहे हैं, इसी को मैं खंडन करना चाहता हूँ. कितने दिन तो बाबा साहब का नाम को दुरुपयोग करोगे और कांग्रेस पार्टी, आप काफी नहीं है. इतने सालों, इतने दशक तक बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर को अपमानित किया कांग्रेस पार्टी ने, वो काफी नहीं है. और भी अपमानित करना चाहते हैं. ये नहीं हो सकता है. बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर के कदमों पर चलने वाला हम लोग हैं.
So the BJP is saying, for how long can the Congress, Mohit, continue to use Ambedkar as a pawn, and more so the kind of language, that is obviously a provocation. What explains Mallikarjun Kharge saying कि पूरे देश में आग लग जाएगी?
Well, Deepti will take that reaction from the national spokesperson of the BJP RP Singh on what exactly is the meaning of what Mallikarjun Kharge has said, because we have seen that Congress party is getting very aggressive, and the statement has come from none other than Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Mallikarjun Kharge ने जिस प्रकार से बयान दिया, कहा कि एक ऐसा मुद्दा है जिससे पूरे देश में आग लग सकती है, आग लगेगी, एक ऐसा बयान दिया है जो कि काफी एक तरह से इसको संवेदनशील भी कह सकते हैं. बीजेपी काफी हमलावर भी हो रही है, और अम्बेडकर, जो बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर, उनके अपमान को लेकर कांग्रेस ये कह रही है सहा नहीं जाएगा. लेकिन जो मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने बयान दिया उस पर काफी सवाल उठ रहे हैं.
मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे इंसाइट कर रही है, इंसाइटिंग कम्युनल वायलेंस. ही इज ट्राइंग टू डू दैट नाउ. He need to answer that Pandit Nehru ensured that Ambedkar ji should lose election. They never gave him Bharat Ratna, although Nehru gave Bharat Ratna to himself as the Prime Minister, but never for Ambedkar ji. And also that we are the only one who has reserved and preserved his memories. Otherwise, they never did anything for the Ambedkar Sahab. And it is only BJP who has been regularly ensuring that whatever respect or whatever respect in the society should be given to Ambedkar ji, that has been given.
But what explains the statement coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge?
He is trying
He's a senior politician.
No, he is trying to incite violence in the country.
That is a big charge.
Yes, I'm saying so. I mean, because they can't fight Prime Minister Modi otherwise. So they are trying to use this as a tool to incite violence in the country today.
So there you see what the BJP as of now says, Deepti, is that what the Mallikarjun Kharge basically has stated is something which is trying to incite violence in the country, and that has been said by various other Congress leaders too, various other BJP leaders too. BJP is saying that this is a statement which is a very volatile statement, and
absolutely. So we'll only apologize. I do not know